New leaks are spilling more details on the Insta360's upcoming X6 action camera before its official debut. We've already covered the camera's redesign, specs, and pricing leaks as well as its FCC certification, and now its actual retail packaging has also surfaced online, confirming several details in the process. Leaker Igor Bogdanov shared the first photo of the X6's official box. It states that the camera can record 8K at 30 frames per second in full 360-degree mode for up to 140 minutes on a single charge. The packaging also confirms two features mentioned in earlier leaks: a low-light mode called PureVideo, and a new swappable lens system called Replaceable Lenses 2.0. Separately, a Reddit user going by FunnySushi1738 posted several hands-on photos of the camera. The images, which have already been shared widely elsewhere without credit, place the X6 next to the older Insta360 model and GoPro's now discontinued Max 360 camera. The comparison shows the X6 is a bit taller than the GoPro, but shorter and wider than its own predecessor, backing up earlier reports of a more compact body. The same Reddit post also shows the back of the retail box, which lists the accessories included in the bundle. Among them is a 2,600 mAh battery, referred to as the Xtreme battery. Insta360 is reportedly set to launch the X6 on July 30th. Based on pricing rumors circulating before this leak, the bundle shown in these images could cost around €789, or roughly $897. A version without the extra accessories is expected to sell for about €589, around $670 in Europe. With the packaging now public and a launch date reportedly just days away, official confirmation of these specs and pricing should not be far off.